Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volkswagen Passat tire. First, always prioritize your safety by parking your vehicle on a firm, level surface away from traffic. Engage the parking brake fully and turn on your hazard lights. Next, locate and gather all necessary tools, which typically include your spare tire, the vehicle's jack, and the lug wrench. Consulting your owner's manual can also provide specific instructions for your Passat model. With your safety measures in place, begin by removing the wheel cover or hubcap to reveal the lug nuts. Using your lug wrench, loosen each lug nut by turning it counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them completely yet, they should just be loose. Now, carefully position the jack under the vehicle's designated jacking point, which is usually indicated in your owner's manual or by a small notch on the frame. Once the jack is securely in place, slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. Now, you can fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set the flat tire aside. Next, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and gently push it onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts as much as possible to secure the spare in place. With the spare tire mounted and hand tightened, slowly lower the vehicle until the spare tire is firmly on the ground. Now, using the lug wrench, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Once tightened, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure as soon as possible and have your flat tire repaired or replaced by a professional without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.